Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas Cortés, and on this video I will show you a little game that I developed around a year ago. On this game you play as Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. You have to avoid getting hit by these guys. You can shoot them with a click of the mouse. You can do a special shot with the right click. You can move, you can pick up these Dragon Balls to increase your score. This game was developed with HTML5. You can also pick up the Super Saiyan hair, so you get an upgrade, and you can shoot slightly faster now. There's another Dragon Ball up here, so we pick it up, we increase our score, we keep avoiding them, we can shoot them too, so we do that. This is a demo of a game that I developed, but there's a lot going on, so I'll show you this screenshot instead to explain what's going on. So at the top here we have our health, below it there's our score. Here we have the last score from the last game. Below it there's the highest score. If you play and then you get a score, it will be stored here, but if you refresh your page, then this high score will get deleted, so it doesn't save the score for future games. Now at the top right here we can see our objective to finish off Friezar's soldiers. At the bottom we have our controls. We move our character with the W, A, S and D keys. With a left click we can shoot. You probably can't see it, but below this it says how to do the special shot, which is with the right click. Now here are the upgrades. We have our Dragon Ball, increases your score by 1000 points, and the Super Saiyan hair makes you shoot faster. Now this is a very basic game. I included the instruction in the game as you play, so you can just open the game and read how you can play and then just play. I know that the best way is to include a special section with the instructions on how to play, but this wasn't meant to be a serious game. I just made it to learn how to code on HTML5. So we go back to the game. If we refresh the page, our score gets deleted. It starts all over again, and we can play this game forever. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of the code. So here we have our HTML code. Here at the top we have our canvas. We define its width and height. We import our JavaScript file where we have our entities. Here we have some functions. We initialize some variables. This code here is to clean the screen so we can refresh and move the objects, the enemies, the character. It's quite a code, quite long. Here we have we draw the text. So as you can see, we are drawing our health, we're drawing the objective, we're telling it to use the orange color. Here we are drawing the position of the upgrade text and so on, the direction of the shoot, and this is our main code. Have our canvas, context 2D, the canvas width and height, etc. We define our player health as 20, and you start the game with 3 enemies. Here we are loading the images. We create our object. Here we have the code for our player. Here's the normal sprite. Here's the sprite for when you pick up an upgrade, and here when you pick up a second upgrade. Here we define the enemies. There's 4 type of enemies: bullets, the upgrades, the map, etc. Now if we go to our entities.js code, we can see that we're defining our objects like player, its position. Here's some code so he doesn't move away from the canvas. We have to keep it inside our boundaries. With this function, we create a random enemy in a random position in our canvas. Have a lot of code here. A function to create a bullet. We create an ID, an X position, Y position, its height, its width, the angle to where it shoots, because enemies can shoot you as well. And there's the rest of the code. Now, I didn't make this game 100% by myself. I actually wanted to learn how to develop a game with HTML5, so I looked up a tutorial, which is this one. I'll show you right now. So this guy, Raining Chain, made a complete tutorial series on how to make an HTML5 game. I followed what he did, I understood what he did, and I can show you a little bit of what he created. I'm gonna hit play. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same game. We have our character who can shoot bullets. We can pick up items. In his game, you can pick up items to increase your score. In my game, you pick up items to also... No, I think the yellow ones are for score and the purple ones are for increase the speed of the bullets. The red squares are enemies, and here he has his code. So I based my game heavily on this tutorial, and if you wanna check it out for yourself, you can go to my Bitbucket page. Here we have juego HTML5, which is HTML5 game. We have the game itself, also our JS folder where we store our JavaScript scripts, our images folder. If you want to download it, just click on downloads, then download repository, and you'll get a zip file. If you extract it, you'll have all of these files and folders, and you just open juego.html and you'll get yes. So you can just immediately play. So that's a small demonstration of this game. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.